Think you're getting a biceps pump, but your arms still look the same? What if I told you the reason your biceps aren't growing isn't because you need heavier weights, but because you're doing this one simple thing completely wrong? And in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to fix it. This isn't just another do 10 curls and go home routine. This is a precision-based arm workout designed to force your biceps to actually work. Most people grab dumbbells, swing the weight up, lean back a little, and call it a day. Feels heavy, right? But here's the truth. If your shoulders are helping, your biceps are slacking. People chase speed instead of tension. Muscle growth doesn't care how fast you move. It cares how much control you have. If you don't feel your biceps working, you're guessing your way through the workout. We're going to rebuild your curl from the ground up. Exercise 1, controlled dumbbell curl. Your elbow is the star of the show. Lock your elbows slightly in front of your body. Imagine your arm as a hinge, like a door that only swings one way. No shoulder movement, no body sway. Lower the weight down, twice as slow. If lifting builds the pump, lowering builds the muscle. Exercise 2, alternating curl with pause. Pause at the top for 2 seconds because momentum dies and tension lives. Squeeze your bicep like you're trying to crack a walnut. Keep slight tension even at the bottom, like a stretched rubber band. Exercise 3, partial plus full rep combo. Halfway up, back down, then full curl. That's 1 rep. This burns because your muscles are under constant tension. Slightly rotate your pinky inward at the top. Hold the dumbbells halfway up, right where it hurts. Your arms will shake. Good. Remember, anyone can lift weight, but not everyone knows how to make their muscles work. Stay consistent, stay focused, and your arms won't just get a pump, they'll start to grow.